In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Pipedrive. We'll walk through the full import process together, so by the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what each screen means, and how to avoid common problems like duplicate records. First, start inside your Pipedrive account on the main dashboard. Look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see an option represented by 3 dots, often labeled as More. Go ahead and click that, and from the menu that opens, choose Import Data. This is where Pipedrive lets you bring in information from spreadsheets or other systems. On the import page, you'll be prompted to begin the process. Click the button labeled Get Started. This tells Pipedrive that you're ready to set up a new import, rather than editing an old one. Next, you'll see another screen guiding you into the import flow. Click Next to move forward. These early screens are mostly about confirming that you are starting a new import. Now it's time to upload your spreadsheet. You can either click the upload area to browse for your file on your computer, or simply drag and drop the spreadsheet into that space. Make sure your file is clean and well organized before this step. Column names should be clear, and each row should represent a single contact, organization, or deal, depending on what you're importing. After your file uploads, a pop-up will appear. Here, click Continue with Import, and then click Next. This confirms that Pipedrive has read your file and that you're ready to match your spreadsheet columns with Pipedrive fields. On the mapping screen, you'll see each column from your spreadsheet on one side and drop-down menus to match them to Pipedrive fields on the other. Take your time here. For example, map your first name column to Pipedrive's first name field, email to email, phone to phone, and so on. When you've mapped all the necessary fields, click Next again. You'll now see a preview of your list. This is a quick way to double-check that your data looks right before importing. Scroll through a few rows to confirm that names, emails, and other details are in the correct columns. When you're satisfied, click Next once more. In the next window, Pipedrive asks how to handle duplicates if they're found. You'll see 2 options: Merge Data or Create Multiple Records. Choose Merge Data if you want Pipedrive to combine new information with existing records, or Create Multiple Records if you prefer to keep every entry separate, even if there are duplicates. Once you've chosen the option that fits your workflow, click Start Import. Pipedrive will begin processing your file, and shortly, your data will be available in your account, ready to use.